welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am going to be unboxing a microphone that was sent to me for free, and I'm really happy and grateful because I was about to buy a microphone because the one that I currently have doesn't work anymore, or I don't know what happened, but it just stopped working and I do need it for my online classes. So yeah, so the company Maono sent me this microphone right here. You can't really see it because the people from the USPS actually had to put the sticker right on the top. But anyways, they sent me this huge box right here, and it comes with a stand and a microphone. So I'm super excited to unbox it, and I'm also going to be assembling and putting it on my computer so you guys could see it. And yeah, anyways, let's get started. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and it's from the brand Maono. I've never heard of them before, so I'm super excited to try it out. And they did send me this microphone in this box. They didn't send it in a separate box. I thought it was kind of weird because they didn't even tape it. It was just open like that. So hopefully everything is complete in here. So this is a large condenser microphone kit, and this is the AUA425 Plus Professional Audio Innovation microphone, and it is compatible with Windows and Mac. And I have a Windows, so I'm super excited. So let's open it up and check it out. Oh, and ignore my eyeshadow swatches. I did a palette bingo earlier. Ta-da! Okay, so this is really exciting. It is packaged really nicely, and as you guys can see, here is the pop filter, and it comes with a little user manual, as you guys can see right here. So this is the pop filter right here. I actually didn't have one of these in my other microphone, so this is cool. And it does come with a table tripod. So that's pretty cool. I probably won't use this because I actually like using a mount instead, but we'll see. Maybe I will use that in the future. Okay, and if we lift this up, it has more things. Okay, so right here you can see that it comes with a wind screen. It's kind of damaged, but it's okay, and I do have the other one just in case this bothers me, but we'll see. And here is the USB cable. Here is the table clamp, which is pretty cool. And this is a shock mount. This is where the microphone goes in. So it's pretty cool. And this is a microphone stand. So it does stretch out and everything. So this is the hardware for the microphone mount ring. And here is my favorite part. This is the microphone, and it has the name of the brand right there. It says Maono. So I'm super excited. If you guys have seen the microphone that I have right now, it is white, and I actually prefer this one because I prefer black over white. Anyways, I'm super excited for this. I can't wait to set it up, and well, you guys will see in a bit. Okay, so here is where I'm going to be attaching the new microphone. This is the old one. As you can see, well, you can't really tell that it's old, but this is a microphone that I've had. It's by Shengil. I don't know. Can't pronounce that. What's this one right here? It's pretty, but it's old and it doesn't work anymore. And I've had this microphone for like, I don't know, 6 years already, since like 2011 or 2012. Okay, that's 8 years. And I moved all my stuff over here, that's why there's a mess. So I'm just going to remove this, and then I'll show you guys when I'm installing the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it and hopefully it works. Okay, you guys, so it is another day since I actually unboxed the microphone, and I barely had time to connect it and install it and all that. So that's why I'm wearing different clothes. But anyways, I'm about to try out this new microphone. Hopefully it works. I already opened my Adobe Audition. It's a program where you could record your voice and do voiceovers and all of that good stuff. Anyways, I'm about to try it out. I'm super excited. Oh, I do want to say that the cable that connects onto the computer, it's USB. It's not like an auxiliary cord. So it kind of sucks for me because I have to connect it in front of the tower instead of the back because the back is full. I need to figure this out. But anyways, let's try this out. Here, let's get close to the... There was a smudge on the screen. Hopefully you guys can't see it anymore. Okay, starting now, I'm going to remove the audio from the camera and I'm just going to insert what's on the computer. Hey guys, this is Marilyn and I am trying out this new microphone by Maono and it looks like it's working and I'm super excited. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so it works, you guys. I'm super excited for this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing video, and if you guys are interested in purchasing this microphone, I'll try to link it down in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.